Hello and welcome. So in this video, we will gonna talk about the health benefits of using Shilajit daily. What is Shilajit? Shilajit is an astonishing sticky tar-like resinous substance that is neither completely plant nor of animal origin. In nature, Shilajit is a type of mineral pitch that is made up of humus and decomposed plant remains, exuded from the rocks present in the Himalayas at an altitude of 1,000 to 500 meters above sea level. Shilajit is commonly used in Ayurvedic medicine. It's an effective and safe supplement that can have a positive effect on your overall health and well-being. Here's a look at the benefits of Shilajit. 1. It improves brain health. The primary component of Shilajit is an antioxidant known as fulvic acid. This powerful antioxidant contributes to cognitive health by preventing the accumulation of tau protein. Tau proteins are an important part of your nervous system, but a buildup can trigger brain cell damage. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that causes problems with memory, behavior, and thinking. Drug treatments are available to improve symptoms of Alzheimer's. But based on the molecular composition of Shilajit, some researchers believe Shilajit may prevent or slow trusted source the progression of Alzheimer's. 2. It improves heart health. Shilajit may also protect the heart and improve heart health. A recent study using rats noted the protective effects Shilajit has on the heart. Animals who were treated with Shilajit prior to cardiac injury had less damage to the heart than those who were not given Shilajit. It is important to note that Shilajit may reduce blood pressure in some cases and should not be taken by anyone who has an active heart condition. 3. Helps in reduce chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS, is a long-term condition that causes extreme tiredness or fatigue. CFS can make it difficult to go to work or school, and simple everyday activities can prove challenging. Researchers think that Shilajit supplements may reduce symptoms of CFS and restore energy. CFS has been associated with mitochondrial dysfunction. This occurs when your cells don't produce enough energy. In a study from 2012, researchers gave lab rats Shilajit for 21 days, and then induced CFS by forcing the rats to swim 15 minutes for 21 consecutive days. The results found that Shilajit helped reduce the effects of CFS. They think this was the result of the Shilajit helping to prevent mitochondrial dysfunction. Based on these results, naturally boosting your body's mitochondrial function with Shilajit supplements may help improve energy levels. 4. It increases the testosterone levels in man. Testosterone is a primary male sex hormone, but some men have a lower level than others. Signs of low testosterone include a low sex drive, hair loss, loss of muscle mass, fatigue, increased body fat. In one clinical study of male volunteers between the ages of 45 and 55, half of the participants were given a placebo and half were given a 250 mg/mg dose of purified Shilajit twice a day. After 90 consecutive days, the study found that participants receiving purified Shilajit had a significantly higher testosterone level compared to the placebo group. 5. Slower aging process. Since Shilajit is rich in fulvic acid, a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, it may also protect against free radicals and cellular damage. As a result, regular use of Shilajit may contribute to longevity, a slower aging process, and overall better health. 6. Improves infertility. Shilajit is also a safe supplement for male infertility. In one study, a group of 60 infertile men took Shilajit twice a day for 90 days after meals. At the end of the 90-day period, more than 60% of the study participants showed an increase in total sperm count. More than 12% had an increase in sperm motility. Sperm motility refers to the ability of the sperm in a sample to move adequately, an important part of fertility. 7. Increases iron levels. Iron deficiency anemia can result from a low iron diet, blood loss, or an inability to absorb iron. Symptoms include fatigue, weakness, cold hands and feet, headache, irregular heartbeat. Shilajit supplements, however, may gradually increase iron levels. 8. Fights altitude sickness. It is often said that the longevity and good health of Sherpas can be linked to their regular consumption of Shilajit. This may actually be more than hearsay, as fulvic acid and the minerals in Shilajit offer wide-ranging benefits. Researchers believe that one of these benefits includes improved tolerance to high altitudes or protection from altitude sickness. Fulvic acid is said to help carry nutrients into deep tissues, helping your body better cope with the stress of altitude sickness. If you're going mountaineering in the future, make sure to begin Shilajit supplementation a few weeks before at least. 9. It helps in weight loss. Obesity is one of the main risk factors for almost every lifestyle disease and chronic condition, whether it's blood sugar or cancer. We are now learning that a high BMI also increases the risk of death in COVID-19 infections. This makes weight loss measures all the more important today. While diet and exercise should be your main focus, you can also support these efforts with Ayurvedic supplements like Shilajit. Studies have found that regular supplementation with Shilajit can improve weight loss by enhancing muscle adaptations to exercise. 10. Enhanced muscle growth. When it comes to Ayurvedic bodybuilding supplements, Shilajit is perhaps the best choice after ashwagandha. Like ashwagandha, Shilajit may encourage muscle growth through its testosterone-boosting effect. That effect, however, remains speculative. At the same time, a study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition shows that daily supplementation with a 500 mg dose of Shilajit capsules can help preserve muscle strength for longer durations, increasing resistance to exercise fatigue. The decline in maximal voluntary isometric contraction, MVIC, would allow for longer training or workout time. Shilajit side effects. Although this herb is natural and safe, you shouldn't consume raw or unprocessed Shilajit. Raw Shilajit may contain heavy metal ions, free radicals, fungus, and other contaminations that can make you sick. Whether you purchase online or from a natural or health food store, make sure Shilajit is purified and ready for use. Don't take Shilajit if you have sickle cell anemia, hemochromatosis, too much iron in your blood, or thalassemia. It's possible to be allergic to this supplement. Stop taking Shilajit if you develop rash, increased heart rate, or dizziness. So, how to use it? Shilajit is available in liquid and powder forms. Always administer supplements according to instructions. If you buy the supplement in liquid form, dissolve a portion the size of a grain of rice or a pea size in liquid and drink 1 to 3 times a day, depending on instructions. Or you can take Shilajit powder twice a day with milk. The recommended dose of Shilajit is 300 to 500 mg per day. Speak with your doctor before taking Shilajit.